All right, so it looks like it's recording, screen record. All right, so I'm super late with this. So this is my trade review for today. Is September 24th, Tuesday, September 24th, 2024. All right, anyway, let's see. Let's see where we start. Restart. So I am late. So the other session, Asian session or whatever it is right now that's going on, has already started. So the market's reacting to it. Big thing. I think China just released like a stimulus package or something for their economy. So they're gonna flush more cash into the system. Probably more cash in the system equals inflation. Same old garbage that happens here in America. Our politicians don't know any kind of any other ways to, I guess, stimulate their economy without putting more cash out there and causing prices to go up, right? But anyway, I'm not a politician. Anyway, so let's see what happened today. Today I took one trade basically, and I kind of messed up on it in a sense. I had a bracket order. I turned on the bracket order. I didn't even notice that I turned it on, so I got taking out the trade pretty quickly, and yeah, so I ended up breaking even on the day today. Made a couple bucks, but it's like basically break even. But the biggest thing that I liked about it is that I did not go on tilt. Usually when I do stuff that I didn't pay attention to, or I did not, I would say I blame this on myself. I did not cross my T's, dot my I's in a sense, and I usually like try to get the money back or try to, I should have made this much money or blah, blah, blah. So, like I said, I'm in this stage right now where I'm trying to make sure that I don't make these kind of mistakes, in the sense of, not saying these mistakes like, the bracket order and those things are not going to happen, but the way I react to those things, the way I react to losses, the way I react to winning, I'm trying to fix those. And I'm trying to be consistent in a sense of like the trades that I take and my setups are constantly consistent. All right. So let's start on what I saw this morning. So if you've been watching any of my my reviews, you'd see that I've been saying that we, if you're a person that the market was hanging out, right? You're hanging out. We broke out. We came up. We have a change of character up here somewhere, or something else going on. So you saw that the market was coming up and it was looking for a breakout to happen. Then basically that's what we're looking. Look for the breakout to come up here, take that out, take that out, take that out. And we're off to the moons. So let's see what happened over here today. So this morning before I came, of course, before, these two, this candle was already set. This one wasn't set yet, right? Of course it opened, but it was down here somewhere. So let's see what that looks like. Let's go to the 4 hour. So make this bigger, make that bigger. All right, so the last couple of days, of course, we had a breakout. We had that strong candle, we broke out. We set a new level, and then we consolidated within that level, and we found our support right around here. Right? And of course, we kept on pushing down to try to get liquidity so we can go higher. For the market to move any direction, they got to have, for it to go down this direction, for it to go up, you got to go down here and get some buyers, people to buy. You want to take people on the train and take them up. Or you want to come out here, you want to stop out some people, want to stop them out so you don't take everybody with you. So the market's just a bunch of bullshit. Anyway, so as we move, I think this was happened today. But anyway, we saw this, and yesterday we tested, and then, yeah. So when I saw the market, I saw that we're still hanging around the area. So I was still looking for longs. And of course, I scalped short as well, but the direction of the market, going up. We're still going up. The market is still trying to figure out what to do when it comes to the rate cuts and so forth, but I still see bullish. And if I see bullish, that means the people that trade patterns and certain things, they're gonna see bullish, because if your trend line break, you saw this, you're like, yeah, I'm going long. You know what I mean? So of course, trend line break, they probably were trying to get down here, holding, and they took it all the way up. But anyway, yeah, so that's what I saw. So as far as my mental state, I woke up, I was okay this morning. Didn't know, only got a couple hours of sleep. And I've been having some back pain, just getting older, I guess. It sucks. But mentally, I was good. Mentally good. I went through my checklist as far as mental aspects and everything. Repeat my fear mantra in a sense, because fear is what causes us a lot to lose actually in the market. Sometimes it's not even like what the market is doing; it's just us that causes us to lose. The fear that seeks in. So there's no place in trading for fear. Believe me, there's no place. Because when fear comes, it can cause you to make bad decisions. All right, so let's see what I saw. So as far as trades I took, well, the one trade. So of course you saw that it kept on coming down and we had our 4-hour fair value gap here, right? So this morning when I came, I saw it was coming down and was testing down this area. So I had said, if we go to, you go to my Thinkorswim platform, you'll see that yesterday, right here, not like today, but yesterday, it is technically when I'm releasing this the other day, but on the 23rd, we saw that we had set this bottom here, right? And if you look at the trading view, you'll see that we had a 4-hour fair value gap here somewhere, right? And there's a 2-hour fair value gap somewhere as well. Yeah, there's probably one over here, right there, little small one. All right, so I put, so what here you saw, I always have my daily, when it comes to my daily levels, so my previous day levels. So I saw that, and I saw that this was a pivot point or a point or liquidity area, right? So I was very keen on looking for this area. So when it came down to this area, I said, if it pushes this area, look, when you come over here too, you come down here on the 1 hour, right down here, right? Or this is a 30-minute. You saw it was the same area in the 1 hour. Let's hit the 15-minute, has the same one as well. Boom, yep, same one. So I said, and plus it was the previous day's low. I was like, all right, so if we come down here and we push down, we get any kind of liquidity, I'm looking for my setup down here, right? So when it pushed down here, I was looking for my setup, so this was my level that I was looking for. Not 19955, right? That's what I was looking for liquidity to push through, right? For them to grab liquidity and to turn it around and push it back up. That's exactly what I was looking for and exactly what happened. So let's go down to the 1 minute chart where I was looking for my setup. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. All right. So you see the same area. So this is the area. This had the line right here on my trading view as well. Yeah, 19954 or 55, whatever. So we pushed down, we got the liquidity. So we're looking for that. So I'm looking for a higher time frame liquidity area. I'm not looking for liquidity this one. I'm not looking for that one. Of course it happened, but I'm looking for the higher time frame that goes into a higher time frame fair value gap as well. So when it reversed, there was a fair value gap here, or 1 minute, that I was like, all right, it gets through here, we get a strong push through. But look what we got. We got that strong push through here. And that fair value gap finally disappeared. So we hanged out. So I added right away. All right. Added right away. And yeah, right. Added right away, came back, and then I ended up getting stopped out because I put on a bracket order. And the bracket order that I have was strictly for just a quick kind of scalp kind of thing. So yeah, so I ended up getting stopped out pretty quickly because it pulled back, right? Pulled back, and I knew it was gonna pull back, and my stop loss was supposed to be down here. It was gonna be much higher than what I have my bracket order set as, and it kind of stopped me out. But anyway, the plan was for me to put my stop loss here, which it never came back to. And I was going to take it from my point spot up to here. I was going to take it up to here because I saw the momentum. I saw what was going on. So I wasn't going to just take my normal 10 to 20 points, I was gonna hold it for a little bit longer because I had conviction in the play, and the play ended up working out very well, right? From the point I got in, which was right here, 0 to 21, all the way up to there. Oh man, to 168. So it's over 100 something point move, right? So yeah, I mean, I wouldn't have got all of that, you know, I wouldn't have gotten nearly any of that, but I would have got what I needed to hit my levels, to hit what I needed to do. And yeah, but the people that were able to hold through that, getting this level, some people probably took off around here as well, and up here. Yeah, they killed it. So it was my fault what happened today. I need to check stuff better, but I'm more of course I didn't get the trade and I didn't make the money that I should have, but I'm glad how I reacted to it. So I got up and I walked away, and then I came back and I was upset with myself, but I didn't go on tilt. I didn't try to just jump into a play just randomly. I didn't try to do anything that went against what I would normally do. I didn't go against do what I would normally do in a sense. And then it did get up here, right? You get up here because I was looking for levels up here, like right here. So I was like, all right, if it pushes through here, maybe I'll look for it. But when I looked up here, there was no fair value gap that it was pushing into, or a higher time frame fair value gap was pushing into. So I didn't take the trade. So I'm just glad that I am following my steps 1, 2, 3. So that was a great setup. Yeah, it was basically the one true setup for the day, and you know, I messed up on it, but I'm glad how I reacted. But whoever took that, for the people that took it, they crushed it today. Crushed it. All right, so that was my trade review. Like I said, if you ever want to learn how to trade or anything like that, just send me leave a message or something in my thing, and I will teach you anything you want to learn. All right, peace.